Hello guys, welcome to a new episode at Carttitude. I just collected this brand new Genesis GV60 with our enclosure trailer. From day one will be fully protected with Xpel PPF. We have some panels that will be protected in Stealth as well. Will be full interior protection, wheels, windows, everything. Stay here, watch the full video because it will be an amazing project. It's Friday. I just collected this BMW X5 competition from Blackburn BMW dealership. Brand new car, 72 plate. Our customer asked the dealer, don't wash the car, don't remove the stickers, nothing on the car. We bring the X5 here and closer with our trailer. We unboxing everything. He's so satisfied to take all the stickers out. Now we will do a single stage paint preparation, full front extended PPF, rest of the car ceramic coating, interior treatment, wheels, windows, all over protection. The Genesis is 95% completed. We are working now on the final touches. Will be delivered today to our customer with enclosure trailer. Stay here, watch the video till the end. The Genesis is ready for delivery now. We'll deliver the car back and closer to our customer. On this car, we did a full car Xpel PPF protection, a mix with Ultimate Plus on gloss panels, Stealth, on satin panels all over the car. By the way, for this model, we just had uploaded the kits 2 days before we started the installation. This one, the Genesis GV60, is one of the first full car PPF projects here in UK and all over the world. Was a great project. We protected the wheels with ceramic coating, windows, full interior protection, leather, fabrics, any little surface of this car. What do you think, guys? I love the central console, all the lights and everything. Tell me what do you think about this car. Don't forget to like, subscribe and watch our future videos.